wonderful time of the year in Colorado Springs. Our Christmas decorations are out, there's snow on the mountain, and we are getting ready for a cozy winter. Today I'm going to take you to a couple places where you can turn Colorado Springs into your own staycation. We're gonna go snowboarding, we're gonna make some chunky blankets, and we're gonna give you the cure for the wintertime blues. I'm Shanon Schinkel, and this is Financing the American Dream. Brian.
Hello.
Thanks for meeting us.
Of course.
Oh my gosh, how cool is this place?
Yeah, so far it looks fantastic. I'm really excited about the action over here. Looks great.
Are you scared?
I am not a good skier. I don't outdoor much, so this is a good version of the outdoors for me. This is a solid choice.
That's why we're here.
Exactly.
All right, I've asked the owner, Melanie, to kind of show us around and explain how this cool concept came to be. So I'm gonna go grab her real fast.
Sounds great.
And take a look around?
Yeah.
So Melanie, where did the idea for this come from?
Well, Lemon Lodge was conceived because we own a winery in Palmer Lake. My husband makes wine from lemons, not grapes, so that's where the name Lemon Lodge Ski Bar comes from. Technically, this is our wine bar, our tasting room.
Okay.
But our adult children said that wine bars are boring unless you add an Olympic caliber ski and snowboard simulator. So we're a full service restaurant and bar. We're very family friendly, so kids are welcome. If you notice, we have chess sets and Scrabble and different board games around. Anyone who'd like to schedule a simulator session, you just book online.
Okay.
20-minute sessions are equivalent to a half day on mountain and your legs will be screaming.
Oh my gosh.
You're welcome to bring your own boots, or we have a full complement of ski and snowboard boots that you can use.
Okay.
And we're also doing a lot of buyouts for companies, Christmas parties, those sorts of things.
Fun.
Yeah.
Do you mind if we go get on the machine and
Let's
try some wine?
Let's do it.
Okay, thanks. So I think it's safe to say that I was better at that than you were.
Well, you didn't fall, so I'm going to give you that one.
Okay, I'm going to take it.
Okay.
All right. You have a chance to redeem yourself because we are going to go make some cozy, chunky knit blankets at our next stop.
Great.
We'll see if you're better at that than me.
Continuing the staycation.
We are at one of my favorite places, AR Workshop, and the owner, Abe, has graciously agreed to teach us how to make some blankets, show us around, and thanks so much for having us, Abe.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Glad we could work it out.
So, Abe, what made you decide to open this place?
So my wife and I started looking at business opportunities, and my sister-in-law owns an AR workshop in Milton, Georgia, and she was like, hey, check this out. We love the idea of kind of throwing a party for people every night, so we jumped on board.
Of everything that you can do here, which is a lot, what is your favorite project?
First, I really enjoy our seasonal chunky knit pumpkins. They're like this.
Oh, yeah.
You knit a sweater for a pumpkin. You know, you've made them. They're really fun to do. And then I love our serving trays. Those always are just really nice. And again, people are so happy with them. It's a lot of fun.
I have one for Santa cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm done.
All right, let's do a quick check. Make sure you didn't drop any stitches. And how did yours come out there, Brian?
Less good.
All right, yeah. That looks great. Great job.
That is a wrap on our winter edition of Financing the American Dream in Colorado Springs. I'm Shanon Schinkel. Thanks for coming with me, and I'll see you next time.